fuck, I was so close. One wheel was over him, the other side never go.
Wait, his strong point is decent tires on, it's just stagnant.
You know why? His two front is the ball ahead ones, that's why.
Fucking slap, right? Like some slap though.
Yep, come up this side, come up this side. Hey,
bleeding.
Stop! Brother, you're on fucking deep puka. Go forward! Oh, too late.
Oh, he was back from the bottom again. Try this again.
Oh, this fucking is crazy, bro.
Nah, it's getting dry already, Charlo, huh?
Yeah, it's dry already, but...
Trying all this dry.
See it!